Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and if you're returning, thank you so much and welcome back. A lot of people question if after becoming a U.S. citizen, whether their child can also gain U.S. citizenship. Well, in some cases, yes. But did you know, contrary to popular belief, children under the age of 18 technically cannot naturalize as U.S. citizens. By law, applicants for naturalization must be 18 years of age, meaning that children cannot file the naturalization application or be included on their parents' application. Instead, children who meet certain requirements automatically acquire U.S. citizenship when a parent naturalizes, a provision known in the law as derivative citizenship for children. The requirements for your child to become a U.S. citizen are: one, they need to be under the age of 18 years of age when you become a citizen. Two, the child must be a legal permanent resident or have a green card. Three, he or she cannot be married. And four, the child must live in the U.S. with you in your legal and physical custody. If your child fulfills all of these requirements, they will automatically become a citizen. These requirements can occur in any order as long as all the requirements happen before your child's 18th birthday. Once all these conditions are met at the same time, the child is a U.S. citizen by a matter of law. For example, if a child is a permanent resident and under the age of 18, and then at least one parent naturalizes, that child automatically becomes a U.S. citizen. If a parent naturalizes, then the child gets permanent resident. The child becomes a U.S. citizen the moment they become a permanent resident, if that happens before the child's 18th birthday. However, keep in mind, for your child to automatically become a citizen, your naturalization must have occurred before their 18th birthday. So if you became a citizen and your child was 18 years of age, they cannot acquire citizenship through you. If your child has a green card for at least 5 years and is over 18, they may be eligible to apply for naturalization on their own by completing the Form N-400 application. In addition, stepchildren cannot derive citizenship from their step-parents. Currently, only biological and some adopted children can become U.S. citizens when a parent naturalizes. So let's take my personal situation for example. I'm a U.S. citizen living in the United States. I married a Ghanaian citizen who lives in Ghana. My husband has an existing minor child that has not yet immigrated to the U.S. Once she immigrates and obtains her permanent residency, unfortunately, as my stepchild, she does not qualify for derivative citizenship due to my citizenship as her step-parent. However, she may derive U.S. citizenship from my husband, her father, by us proving his naturalization as a U.S. citizen while her being under the age of 18, as well as showing proof that she gained her permanent residency and lives and resides in our custody. There are two options available to you to prove your child derives citizenship for your naturalization. One, you can apply for a certificate of citizenship for your child, or two, you may apply for a U.S. passport for your child. Some parents opt to apply for both options. It's not mandatory, but it's smart to obtain documentation that proves that the child has U.S. citizenship. Official documents will help avoid future complications and hassles. For most people, a U.S. passport is less expensive and more practical because it can be used for the child's travel abroad. On the other hand, it's likely that the child will need the certificate of citizenship at some point in the future. So what is a certificate of citizenship? Well, it's a certificate similar to your naturalization certificate that proves your child is a citizen of the United States. You apply for a certificate of citizenship by filling out Form N-600. Also, you'll need to submit supporting documents with translations if necessary, which may include a copy of the U.S. citizen parent's birth certificate, a copy of the child's birth certificate, proof of the parent's U.S. citizenship, a copy of the parent's marriage certificate, proof of legal custody, if the child's parents are divorced or separated, a copy of the child's green card, and proof of residence or physical presence in the U.S., such as school records, leases, and employment. The application fee for the certificate of citizenship is $1,170. However, you may be eligible for a fee waiver if you receive public benefits, your household income is below 150% of the federal poverty guideline, or you have some other financial hardship. The benefits of getting a certificate of citizenship is that it's documentary proof of your child's citizenship. It's also a U.S. government issued photo identification, and a certificate of citizenship never expires. On the other hand, the benefits of getting a passport, like I said before, is it allows you to travel abroad, and also it can be used to prove your child's U.S. citizenship. However, a passport must be renewed every 5 years while the child is under 16, and then every 10 years once the child is an adult. To apply for a passport for your child, you'll need to fill out and submit Form DS-11 with all necessary documentation. You can find this application online or at a local U.S. post office. If your child has a certificate of citizenship, you will need to include a copy of it with the passport application. If your child does not have a certificate of citizenship, you will need to submit documents with the passport application, such as a copy of the U.S. citizen parent's naturalization certificate, a copy of the child's birth certificate, proof of the child's admission as a legal permanent resident, and a copy of the parent's marriage certificate. As I said prior, some parents opt to apply for both the passport and the certificate of citizenship for their child because there are occasions when a U.S. passport is not sufficient identification for citizenship purposes. A certificate of citizenship may also be necessary if you need to demonstrate when you became a citizen. What's more, it doesn't expire and is valid for a lifetime. So the certificate may be needed when you apply for certain benefits like Social Security, state-issued driver's license or IDs, financial aid for students, employment, or passport renewals. So these are your two options for attaining your child's citizenship. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.